no na te wairua. Ko ia ko kahina wanawa.
Tēnā tātou katoa e hui mai nei. Welcome to Whaka Cool Reo, where we learn te reo Māori, kupu, kiwaha and phrases. Ko Frankie Boni tuku ingoa, no ko mahora tuku kura, ko mahora ahau. This week for Whaka Cool Reo, we're going to be learning how to say kei te haere ki te wharepaku, which means I'm going to the toilet.
The weekend. Well, I went to Chemist Warehouse and bought 10 body washes. Do you smell good now? Yes, of course I do.
I love Chemist Warehouse. I got like all these like skincare things, like face masks and stuff, and they're like really good, and they were so cheap too.
Why would you go to the supermarket anymore?
I'll say yeah. It's like you can just go there and get everything. You don't even need to go to the supermarket. And like slip ones are so fast.
Like $10 cheaper.
I know. And did you know you can get packaging and they're like on their $100, whereas they're usually like $7 billion.
I know. Oh my gosh. Don't go to the supermarket.
Chemist Warehouse is just
Kei te haere ki te wharepaku.
What?
Thank you for watching Whaka Cool Reo for this week.
Kia kaha te reo Māori. See you next time. Bye!